what Tara does and how she's constantly designing. She's so creative. And for her to be able to do a bowl in the shape of a shell, in the shape of a fish, in the shape of a star, it just, you know what it does? It sets it apart from everything else that's out there. And yet it's all stoneware, it's ceramic, it's easily cleaned, it's dishwasher safe, freezer safe, refrigerator safe, oven safe to 500. I mean, you really can't buy anything else that's better than this. And then we give you a great price of $28.73. Let's start with the star.
These are just so fun. So we originally debuted these in our holiday and our harvest patterns, and we have those, but we wanted to do something fun for summertime. So for me, it's always about the fun of entertaining. You can chill these pieces ahead of time. So all of your mayonnaise-based salads, can you imagine just popping this down for Memorial Day, for Labor Day, for all of the summer barbecues and holidays? 2-quart oval, and it's figural. That's what I love about it. This is your firework pattern that you see there on the outside. That's actually carved into the side of the baker, and then the color is saturated around it. We included 2 of the little ramekins. Right here are 8-ounce rammies. So again, they're going to nest, and look how cute they are. We included a silicone stainless steel spoon. Wow. So for your serving, love that. We included an embroidered napkin, so if you wanted to go ahead and line that bowl because you wanted to put some chips in there or you wanted to put something else in there, you could do that, breads.
Yeah.
And then, of course, each one comes with its own recipe. So this one is our strawberry ladyfingers icebox cake.
Oh my gosh,
hello.
that sounds yummy.
Yummy. Okay. So
now, next one is speaking my name all over it because, first of all, I love this color, which we call Ocean
This
Fetty.
is Ocean Fetty. We did it in a fish shape. Many of you have been asking for critters, whether it's our crabs, whether it's fish. Look how stinking cute this is.
It is.
Creates natural helper handles, so when you're coming in and out of the oven, no worries. I love the silhouette. I love everything about the way this turned out.
And that's 2 quarts.
It's 2 quarts. And then look at the 2 little fishies that go along with it. And of course, in that great Ocean Fetty, don't forget you get the napkin, of course you get the spoon, and of course you get the recipe.
And the recipe is hot shrimp cocktail dip.
Why not?
Woohoo! Look at
I was like,
that.
should you really be putting shrimp in with the fish?
Oh
Okay.
my gosh, absolutely. And you know what? That's the whole thing. If you love the ocean, you love the lake, that's the one to have. Here's another
Here's
option.
Summer. So Summer has that shell detail all the way around the edges. There you see that beautiful, really deep, deep blue. And then, of course, all the hand painting on the inside, the little shells as well, the silicone spoon with, of course, that great stainless steel, and then the embroidered napkins, stain resistant. So again, you don't have to worry about getting these dirty.
Yeah.
And we included a fresh strawberry cobbler with this one.
Oh, wow.
Love that.
Now, I got to go. Oh, yeah, we still have more.
We still have, I'm just going to run you through kind of where it all started. So with our holiday one, we're calling this festive. That's going to be that bell detail. Can we just talk about how stinking cute the nutcrackers are?
Oh,
so
my
there's your
goodness.
nutcracker there. This is a 2-quart serving bowl with, of course, your little guys. Then, of course, we have your snowman, we have your gingerbread, and can we just talk about the buffetti down at the end? Your
Buffetti.
ghost.
Here's your ghost. Look at how cute that is. And obviously, these seasons have come and gone, but they're going to come again.
That's right.
That's the whole thing.
I love
so
that we
if
have
you want
them all.
to get them today, look at that, $28.73 or 2 payments of $14.37. If you even see something you're like, oh, that I've got to buy that for a holiday gift for so and so, do it today while you have Easy Pay, and that way you know you're going to get it. Because honestly, I can't even guarantee it's going to be back at those holiday times. I want to go back to really, if you're new to Temp-tations, why should you bake, cook, serve all in your dishes?
Well, this was why it was created, first and foremost. My mom, a great cook, but she used every dish in the house, and that was always the joke that, of course, I had to clean them. So I would go on to create this one-dish cooking. But for me, it was about using stoneware, which our grandmothers used and their grandmothers used, right? Because it's this great conductor of heat. It's this great insulator of cold, and literally you can't make a mistake. Because of the glazes that are applied to it, it's naturally non-stick. So you never have to worry about that butters, oils, any extra added fats. And the best part, it's metal utensil safe. So you never have to worry. You can get in there with your KitchenAid hand mixer, and now you can prep in this one baker. You can take this baker to the oven instead of transferring it into something else and actually bake it. And then when you're ready to serve it, you can slice right in here and serve from it. So you're not only saving all of those steps in washing and storing, but you're saving money and you're saving time because one dish truly does it all.
again, you end up with a star-shaped cake.
Well, yeah.
You know what I mean? Or imagine a fish cake or a fish salad or whatever it might be. And then these little ramekins, you might look at those and, well, they're just for this or that. You can bake in those as well.
And they're little individual portions, which I love, 8 ounce in capacity. So these are the tools, they're the dishes that give you the excuse to get everybody back around the table. And that truly has been my mission for over 17 years. You know, we're moving in a million different directions. We're busier than ever. But if we could just connect as a family, just one meal a day.
Put the phones away.
It's amazing. Check the tech, I always say.
Check the tech. Check it at the door.
Yes.
You know what? I want to go back over here because people are really responding to these summer designs. So here's the summer designs. We have that. Well, there you can see even to serve your corn.
Yep,
that's a great idea.
That's one of the recipes, the Mexican street corn. So again, love that with the sauces as well. So again, thinking about what your table's going to look like, entertaining, just adding these simple pieces make it such a big difference.
Show me the 3 designs up here, and then we'll give it quick.
Sure. We have our fireworks. So that's going to be your star detail, beading that runs around the edges, your 2 ramekins, 8 ounces in capacity, your recipe, your embroidered stain-resistant napkin. I'll tell you, you'll use that all the time.
And one quick thing I just want to say, hot food stay hot, but even more important on the 4th of July or the Memorial Day, the cold salads stay cold. Put the salad in here ahead of time, put the whole thing in the refrigerator. Let this dish get really cold, and it will keep that salad very, very cold.
Then, of course, we have your ocean fetty, and that's going to be your fish shaped. I love how sweet this is. Again, if you want to just have that pop, everything's going to nest down inside, so you never have to worry about where am I going to store all these pieces. We got you covered.
Yes.
And then we have our summer, and that's going to be the shell detail.
Look at that.
Isn't that so adorable? All of your stainless steel tools match, your napkins match, your little ramekins, and then we even have all the holidays still in front, which I love, from our nutcracker to our gingerbread, our snowman, our buffetti, and of course our festive bell.
And Mother's Day is not far away. We are talking a month from now. A month from this weekend is Mother's Day. Set one of these aside as your Mother's Day gift and spend less than $30.
Love that.
She doesn't care what you spend. She cares about the fact that you thought about her ahead of time and something that she loves. Like maybe she loves the Americana. Maybe